Hi, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be playing Build Battle. So, what should we do first, Ellie? Should we do solo build, teams mode, pro mode, or guess the build?
Team mode.
Team mode?
Mm-hmm.
You sure? You want to pick a different one?
Yeah, I think the one with the minions.
Let's do solo then. Alright, come on. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna see if I can get up here again. Almost did it. Almost did it. Almost did it. Ellie, be quiet. Jeez. Pie, fridge, crayon, kite, glove. I'm doing fridge. So many people are doing fridge. Alright, it is fridge, so quartz. Alright, I think that's pretty good. I would do like an open door thing, but I probably wouldn't even have enough time. You can see the other ones. Hold on. What's over here? Oh, I see it. What is that? Ice at the bottom. Oops. They didn't even finish. Poop. Never do a super poop because then that brings down your score. Who said you can't learn from playing Minecraft?
What?
Box. What's this? Okay. That's okay.
They didn't really finish it.
Not really.
Wait, what?
They tried to do like a freezer chest thing. That's good. Oh, this is pretty good. That's good. Whoa! Cool! Wow! Amazing! Wow! Amazing! What, Ellie?
You scored yourself.
I can't though.
Wow.
That's okay. It's okay. I mean, it's made out of wool. They can't save you from a nuclear blast.
That does not look like a refrigerator.
Oh man, what's that?
Is that a rocket?
Looked like it. It's okay. Aw. Hey, I got second though. I was 3 points away.
Maybe
man.
the next one you can win.
Yeah, let's try it one more time and then we'll end it. End it all. Alright, so here we go again. Skeleton, sword, pool table, magician, or post office. I want to go pool table. They're saying skeleton. I wonder how many people are just gonna put down a single skeleton. Come on, pool table. Yes. Perfect. Minecraft crashed. Hold on. Maybe I can join back. Nom. Well then. Alright, voting. That's okay. Sure.
Why do they have to make it too big?
I guess that's the little hole. That's okay. I mean, the bottom's not finished. It's okay. I mean, they didn't finish it.
Yeah.
Well, that's good. That's good. Vote me? No. Poop. Sorry, I'm not voting. What? Is that ninja? That's good. That's okay. What is this thing? That's good. I don't think there's a pink pool ball though.
I think they wanted to make that as purple.
Epic. Legendary. Legendary. It's legend. Why are they all looking at it? They're just like, No! 4th place! Alright, well then, GG. Thank you so much for watching. I'll like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
You want to say something before the video ends?
Hi.
Okay then. Bye.